Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we're just going to be diving into the Elliott Wave Channeling, okay? It's quite a powerful approach to market analysis that many traders use to decode Forex trends and sharpen their trading strategy, okay? So if you are new here, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more actionable insights into Forex trading and market analysis. All right. So this video is just going to be focusing on Elliott Wave Channeling. Okay. This technique breaks down market cycles into identifiable wave patterns, helping you to pinpoint key turning points and better understand market dynamics. All right. So we're just going to be exploring the core principles behind Elliott Wave Channeling. We're going to be discussing practical tips for applying it to your Forex trading and share strategies to refine your market analysis. Okay. Now, Elliott Wave Channeling, basically, it's based on the idea that markets move in repetitive cycles. Okay. By investor psychology, right? Now the concept suggests that price movements occur in waves. Okay, price movements occur in waves. You have wave one, wave two, you have wave three, right? Wave four, wave five. So the Elliott wave theory, tells us that the market moves in waves, right? There are waves, there are wave-like structures. Price does not move in a straight line. Yeah, it moves in waves, and there are principles behind the waves as well. Okay, and in forex trading, these waves create a natural rhythm that, when recognized, can help forecast future price movements. Okay, so imagine the market as a series of waves, right? With Elliott wave channeling, you learn to read these waves and understand whether the market is in an uptrend, right? As in this example, right? Whether the market is in an uptrend or in a downtrend or consolidating. So in this case, we can see that we had a downtrend here. Okay, and a consolidation period basically is a period of sideways movement, right? So this method actually offers a structured way to interpret the charts and to interpret what the charts are telling you, making your overall trading strategy more informed and precise, right? So now let's just get into how you can apply Elliott Wave Channeling in your daily Forex trading. Okay, so start by using your favorite charting platform to draw out the wave pattern. So whether you are using MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 or or TradingView or any other charting platform of your choice. Okay, so you have to draw out the patterns. All right, you mark the impulse waves. Remember that impulse waves are the waves in the direction of the trend. Okay, so the impulse waves indicate strong movement in one direction, and then you mark the corrective waves, which suggest temporary pullbacks. All right, now this process helps you visualize where the market is likely to head next. Next, it's essential to combine Elliott wave channeling with other technical indicators. All right, it is important to do that. For example, using tools like moving averages, for example, if I'm going to add maybe the 20 EMA and the 50 EMA, for the sake of the crossover strategy, right? So it's just for the sake of confirmation, right? You can add moving averages, you can add the relative strength index to get ideas about overbought and oversold territories, conditions rather. So whenever you add your technical indicators to the chart, it can help you to confirm the patterns that you are seeing on the chart. So let's say you got an impulse wave and a corrective wave, and you're about to predict if the next impulse wave is just about to start. You can look at your moving average to see if the moving average is supporting that third wave. If you have the price bouncing off the moving average, it's going to give you an idea as to whether the second wave is coming to an end. And then if you look at your relative strength index, you can check, check for your momentum, check if you are having a buy momentum, right, a bullish momentum, just to get your confirmation before going ahead with the trade. So when you are analyzing the charts, pay close attention to the wave count, right, and the relative length of each wave. Okay, it's very important. Right now, these details provide valuable insights into the market's momentum and can help you determine whether a trend is just beginning or nearing its end. So by integrating Elliott Wave Channeling with other analysis techniques, you develop a robust trading strategy that adapts to different market conditions. All right. Now, mastering Elliott Wave Channeling does come with its challenges. Okay. And one of the key difficulties is the subjective nature of wave identification, right? The subjective nature of wave identification. Different traders might interpret the same chart in various ways, right? So the key to overcoming this challenge is practice and continuous refinement of your analytical skills. By studying historical charts and practicing your wave counts until you develop a confident reading of the market. Okay, so you can start by doing that. All right. Another tip is to maintain patience and discipline. All right. Forex trading is often a test of endurance, and the markets can be unpredictable. So use Elliott Wave Channeling to set a clear framework for your decisions, right? Your trading decisions, but also be prepared to adapt as market conditions evolve. Regularly review your wave counts and adjust your analysis as needed, okay, to stay ahead of the trends. Keeping a detailed trading journal is also invaluable. Record your observations, the wave patterns to identify, and the subsequent market movements. Over time, this journal becomes a critical resource for understanding your strengths and weaknesses in market analysis. It's an essential part of fine-tuning your overall trading strategy, okay? Now, actually, integrating Elliott's Wave channeling into your daily trading routine can significantly enhance your market analysis, right? So begin each trading day by reviewing key economic news and events that might impact Forex trading. Then you open your charts and you apply your Elliott Wave channeling analysis, all right? You look out for, the prevailing trend, you point out or you map out, your waves, the wave structures that are forming, and then you can add your technical indicators and watch out for potential continuation patterns on your chart or reversal patterns as well. Okay, look for emerging wave patterns that could indicate a shift in market sentiment, right? So as the day unfolds, update your analysis frequently. This practice not only helps you stay aligned with the market's movements, but also sharpens your skills in real time. Okay, so combine your wave analysis with other technical indicators. It's important to form a comprehensive view of market trends. This integrated approach ensures that your trading strategy is both adaptable and precise. Remember, the goal of Elliott's Wave Channeling is to give you a clearer perspective on market cycles and price movements. Okay, so by understanding these cycles, you can better time your entry and exit points and improve your overall market analysis, right? For example, let's say that you have identified the first wave, the second wave, and you are looking to ride the third wave, which is usually the longest wave, right? So after you have, identified the end of the second wave, you can, pay attention to your moving averages and your RSI, and then you get an important entry point, perhaps after getting a bullish candlestick pattern. And after entering your buy, you can set your stop loss right below the previous swing low, and then you can actually target the end of the third wave, or you can even target the end of the fifth wave for your take profit. All right. So to wrap up, Elliott Wave Channeling offers a unique method to dissect market movements and enhance your Forex trading strategy. It allows you to identify the underlying patterns that drive the market and equips you with the tools to make informed trading decisions. Now, by combining this approach with other technical indicators and maintaining a disciplined trading routine, you can elevate your market analysis to a whole new level. All right. Thank you for joining this session on Elliott Wave Channeling. If you found this video insightful and engaging, please click the like button and subscribe for more expert insights on Forex trading, market analysis, and effective trading strategy. Your support means a lot and keeps the channel thriving with fresh, actionable content. Stay tuned, stay informed, and happy trading.